If you crack your neck like this, you might be risking more than you think. That quick twist and pop feels satisfying, but your neck isn't designed for constant force. Inside your neck are delicate joints, nerves, and arteries. When you snap it too hard or too often, you stretch ligaments and irritate nerves. Over time, that harmless habit can lead to instability, pain, or chronic stiffness. But what's the worst-case scenario? Would you still do it knowing this? Tap like, subscribe, and comment STOP if you crack your neck all the time. In rare cases, aggressive neck cracking has been linked to artery injury, even stroke. It's not common, but it's possible. That small pop, sometimes it's not worth the risk.